Hello, I'm Greg Antoinette. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Would you like to read and write in English language within 1 month? There are tricks to be able to read and write in English language. You would never forget the letter O with the tricks I will be showing you in this video. If you want to follow up on the tricks I reveal on how to read and write in English language, then subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Hold on. Have you been following my videos? Wow! I love you. You are a good friend. If you want to read and write in English language, you must first of all know how to pronounce the English alphabet. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. The English alphabet comes in the small letter and the capital letter. The small letter O and the capital letter O is the 15th letter of the alphabet. The first trick you must know is that the English alphabet, in whatever you are reading it from, is always moving to the right side of the hand. The letter O is pronounced as O. 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 If you don't want to forget the pronunciation of letter O, then remember the sound most people make when they realize they made a mistake. Oh. Oh. Another trick you need to know is to know the particular part of the mouth to use when pronouncing the letter O. When pronouncing the letter O, the mouth is open down to pronounce the letter O. Another thing you need to know is that the English alphabet has phonic sounds. The phonic sound of letter O is O, O, O. The mouth is open at the initial sound, then closes at the later sound to pronounce the word O. O. What part of the mouth was very useful for pronouncing the letter O? Drop your answer in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, letter O sounds O. Let's recite it and say it quickly. Letter O sounds O. Letter O sounds O. Letter O sounds O. Letter O sounds O. Wow! Great job! Examples of English words that begins with letter O sounds O are O as in orange, O as in onion, O as in oil. Another trick you must know is that the English alphabet is formed with the different placement of a stroke, a curve, and a dash. You can look on your screen to see the diagrams. For the small letter O, it is formed with a curve to the left merged with a curve to the right. The capital letter O is also formed with a curve to the left merged with a curve to the right. So, between the small letter O and the capital letter O, what is the difference between them? Drop your answer in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.